Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve multi-step process with no access control on one-step challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button. This challenge is part of access control category and difficulty for this challenge is practitioner. And challenge description is given as this lab has an admin panel with a flawed multi-step process for changing user's role. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using the credential. To solve the lab, log in using the credential winner and exploit the flawed access control to promote yourself to become administrator. So this is the challenge page and we can go to login page. So initially we have got admin credential and we need to log in with admin to understand this workflow. So let's log in with administrator, provide the password value as well and click on login button. And to solve the lab, we need to log in with winner account and need to promote the account. So this is admin page and after login we can notice admin panel and here we can notice a functionality to upgrade or downgrade user. We can notice three users, Carlos and Winel as normal. And we need to understand the upgrade functionality. So we can click on Carlos account and we are using the embedded browser so that we can capture the request. So now click on upgrade user and analyze the captured request. So on clicking on upgrade user, we are getting this endpoint admin roles. So send this particular request to repeater. And in the browser, we can notice it is asking for one more question before upgrading that particular user. So to upgrade the user, we need to click on yes button. So this endpoint is taking username as parameter and action as upgrade. So click on yes button. So after clicking on yes button, we can notice Carlos is changed to admin. And in Bob suite, we can observe the request for this yes button. So send it to repeater again. So in the first request, we have noticed two parameter, username equal to Carlos and action upgrade. In the second request, one additional parameter present that is confirmed equal to true as we have provided yes. And endpoint is same in both cases. So now we can log out and log in as normal account. So we have got the credential for normal account as well. So copy the username. Okay, we need to click on logout. Click on my account again. Provide the username and provide the password. Click on login button. So as this is normal account, we can't see admin panel here. So we can't go to admin panel page and perform upgrade functionality. So we can instead use uh, previously captured request. Yes, to exploit this particular issue, like normal user needs to know the endpoint and parameter used. So that is tricky part, like using debuster or other technique. They need to understand the endpoint and the structure of the request body. So assuming like a normal account is aware of the endpoint and the parameter, let's try to perform this privilege escalation. So currently status is not solved. So first, what we can do, we can copy cookie details of this logged in user. So basically, we will try to generate response for those captured requests using this cookie ID, means using this user. So after login, this particular cookie generated, which is pointing to this account. So copy this go to burp suite. So this is for admin user. Now change this to winner account, that is normal user account, and change the username as well. So we are trying to upgrade this account to admin. So change the username from Carlos to winner and click on send button. So we are getting 401 unauthorized. That means normal account can't execute this particular endpoint. Now let's go to second request. So this endpoint will come after performing the first step. And here we will follow the same approach. Change the username first and again copy cookie details of the logged in normal account. Change the session value and click on send button again. So it is showing different response compared to previous one where it was showing unauthorized. This one is showing 302 found. And if we go to browser, we can notice challenge is solved. And if we reload the page, so we can notice admin panel is accessible even in the winner account. Let's go to admin panel and check the role. So here we can notice for winner account also, it is changed to admin. So here basically, even though two step present to upgrade any particular account, so there are two observations. Like attacker can think like this particular endpoint did not work and it is showing unauthorized. Then they will assume, okay, in the second step also proper access control is implemented, and they will ignore this particular request and they will not try to exploit it. Similarly, developer will also think like we have implemented proper access control in step one, so attacker can't go to step two directly. However, using this technique, attacker can execute the second step directly instead of going to first step. So lack of access control is leading to this particular exploit. So challenge solved. Thank you.